Ever wondered how some YouTubers rake in substantial income without ever appearing on camera? Welcome to the world of YouTube automation. This innovative approach involves leveraging tools and outsourcing to create compelling, faceless videos that earn you passive income around the clock. And guess what? You don't need to be a seasoned video editor or devote countless hours to content creation. Today, I'll unveil one of the hottest niches in YouTube automation that's not just trendy, but incredibly profitable: horror sleep stories. Imagine earning impressive revenues by merging the allure of eerie tales with soothing soundscapes. I'll guide you through real success stories, reveal their earnings, and show you exactly how you can craft your own successful videos, step by step. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. The horror sleep stories niche is a fascinating blend of thrill and relaxation, catering to an audience that loves a good scare, but also seeks comfort to drift off to sleep. It's a niche that never goes out of style, offering endless content possibilities and a steady stream of followers. This evergreen niche not only captivates viewers with its unique content, but also promises a reliable, long-term income. It's the perfect storm of engagement and profitability. Let's examine some thriving channels to understand the potential in this niche. First, meet the Storyteller, a channel that has mastered the art of narrating chilling true stories against a backdrop of soothing rain sounds. With over 3.4 million views, their annual earnings range between $1,300 and $7,800. Next, there's Get Sleepy, a giant in this niche with 69.7 million views, transforming classic tales into relaxing experiences. With a revenue calculation based on an RPM of $2, they've accumulated over $139,000 from ad revenue alone. Being Scared is another excellent example, boasting 433,000 subscribers and over 82 million views. Their strategic content blend has enabled them to earn between $966 to $2,000 monthly, resulting in an annual income of about $34,800. Creating videos in this niche is simpler than it might seem. Let's demystify the process together, step by step. You'll soon see how accessible this opportunity really is. Begin by gathering compelling stories. Scour platforms like Reddit, or tap into a treasure trove of public domain content. Alternatively, consider engaging your audience by inviting them to submit their own eerie experiences. Transform these stories into polished scripts. If crafting stories isn't your forte, leverage AI tools like Chat to seamlessly turn raw ideas into captivating narrative. Record your narration using a high-quality microphone, or for a more innovative approach, use AI-generated voices from services like 11 Labs. Opt for a voice tone that's both soothing and engaging, aligning with the channel's calm yet suspenseful theme. Enhance the ambiance with high-quality sound effects. Layer your narration with soothing rain sounds or ambient noise from free resources like Freesound or Pixabay to enrich the auditory experience. Keep the visuals simple but effective. A static dark screen can often suffice, or use royalty-free images from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay to add a visual element without complicating the production process. Compile your video using intuitive editing software like CapCut or Canva. Align the audio tracks with your visuals, integrate captions for enhanced viewer engagement, and finalize your video by rendering it seamlessly. And there you have it, an incredibly accessible yet profitable YouTube niche right at your fingertips. Whether you're passionate about spine-chilling stories, soothing sounds, or simply seeking a lucrative side hustle, this niche is ripe with opportunity. Ready to dive deeper into the world of YouTube automation? Subscribe to my channel now. I'll guide you through various niches, helping you start, scale, and succeed in creating faceless content. Don't hold back. Begin your journey to earning a passive income today.